How to turn off age restriction on X. So the first thing, guys, you want to do is navigate with your finger to the top left of your screen and then press on your nickname to be able to get to your profile. In here, guys, press on Edit Profile and make sure that your date of birth is set to at least 18 years of age, preferably 21 if you're in the US. So, for example, 1990 will work, 1995 will work. Anything below that, I guess, also will work. So, for example, you can just set it to 1980 just to be sure, and this just pretty much updates the age for your accounts. If you're a minor, of course, a lot of things won't be accessible, and then you just press on continue and save that. After that, also, one more thing you want to do is you could just navigate to your settings right over here, and then go to settings and privacy. Then you go security and account access, and then you scroll down a bit and you go to privacy and safety. Then you go to content you see, you go sensitive media, and as you can see, you can set your restrictions. For example, graphic violence, you can, just show all. Adult content, show all. So basically, you just lift all the restrictions. And now you're ready and set to go, guys. Enjoy the video. If you like our tutorials, make sure to subscribe.